Today, being Thursday.
Well, we also moved to this RV park too, because it's closer to the hospital.
Oh, we didn't mention that. That's right. We're at a new RV park. This is Dothan RV Park.
It's a nice little park,
Oh,
and it's
great.
only, I measured it this morning, it's only 6.2 miles to the hospital.
Perfect. 15 minutes away, the hospital. The other, out there at the Hidden Hollow RV Park, we were a good half hour
Yeah.
to get there. But we moved down here because the monthly rates were better. And once we got here, I remember this RV park from years ago. It was a dive. And in the past, I don't know, 3 or 4 years under new management, they bought it, expanded it, cleaned it up. The facilities are awesome. They got a pool. They didn't have a pool over at Hidden Hollow. So we got a pool to hang out in when Xander and Nash ain't there.
They're 2 local little boys. I think their grandmothers stay in here, and they're taking great advantage of the pool.
They are noisy.
And splashy.
That's okay though.
They're having fun.
Yeah, they're having fun. So we hang out at the pool quite often on sunny days. We've had a lot of sunny days lately.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the bad weather's pushed on through. Tomorrow will be treatment number 14 of the original 20. So there'll be 6 more after tomorrow, which will take me through Thursday, which will be the time they start working on the left side, and they're done with the brain. So again, being done with radiating the brain, I can go and see Dr. McAllister. We can get the chemo started. Now, we did find out from Dr. McAllister that the non-lung cell,
Small one. Oh,
yeah.
Small.
non-small cell cancer of the lung, I fell within the range of being eligible for immunotherapy using Keytruda. And we'll also see him again, like I said, probably end of next week or first thing Monday.
Monday a week from now, because this Monday is Memorial Day.
Memorial Day.
And we'll see him. And then you get chemo. It's going to be a long day.
Yeah.
Because he's got to go through a bunch of
do
stuff.
The blood test and give me a shot.
And then the next day you'll get basically a booster of B12 or whatever.
Yeah.
A cocktail that will help boost you up a bit.
Yeah.
And then 2 weeks go by and we go in for the next chemo treatment. And then we'll do some more lab work and see where we're at with the chemo. The doctors are very encouraged. Dr. McAllister, the chemo oncologist, has a plan for us, and it's going to involve Keytruda for 2 years. So we've got a plan in place, and
just pray that all works out.
Yep.
Let's see. That's pretty much it for the update.
That's pretty much it for the
Miss
update.
Barbara had a busy day today.
I got a massage. Woohoo!
She got her massage this morning. She likes Massage Envy. And that's the second one in 2 weeks.
Yep, well, a week.
I
had my first one last week.
Yeah.
And, well, actually, it is my third one. I had one very early on when we got back. And then my favorite masseuse is available, so I booked her for last Thursday, this Thursday. Next Thursday, no, but I go back the following Tuesday.
And tomorrow she gets her nails did.
Yeah, I need my nails did. They're about to fall off.
She's going to get her nails did tomorrow. And then
we have a family reunion on Saturday.
Saturday is our family reunion. Always Memorial Day over at the Lakeview Fall. So we plan on making that, although we have been poor about making it in the past. It's kind of important that we make it this time. I have a cousin, Phil Carter, who has inoperative cancer, and all they're doing for him is making him comfortable. I hope he's going to be there. I'd love to see him. So we're going to go and hug on family Saturday. Art and Kelly, they're going to be over at the lake, so they'll have their boat. Maybe Saturday afternoon or Sunday we can take a boat ride. And then, like I said, we'll start the fourth and final week for the initial 20 sessions. And then immediately move over to the left side and then, as she said, start chemo. But I'm having trouble maintaining my weight.
Doctor, he's losing weight. The doctor doesn't want him to lose weight. He needs to keep his weight up to help fight this whole battle that we're on.
Yeah.
So we are looking at high-calorie diet.
I dropped about 15 pounds at the beginning of this thing from April 3rd when we really got the diagnosis. And I dropped 15 pounds in 2 weeks fast. And I'm putting a little of it back on, although it seems like I'm up and down every day.
That's because you're weighing yourself every day.
I guess. Anyway, he wasn't very happy. I doubt I would be either. You know, you gotta help fight it. You gotta do your part. Yes. But we're just finding it very difficult to find high caloric food because that's not something I've ever looked for.
Well, it's hard because you can't digest sugar.
No, so I do a lot of protein and high calorie sugar or low sugar,
high calorie.
Low sugar, high calorie not energy drinks.
Nutritional drinks.
Yeah, nutritional drinks, milkshakes and things like that. And Miss Barbara's bought me a bunch of high calorie bars, and I just need to eat high caloric food and try to put some weight back on. Because I'm sure McAllister's going to tell me the same thing.
Absolutely.
He'll tell me the same thing. But anyway, we are here for possibly 2 months at least.
Yeah.
Now, the next thing on the agenda is a trip to Miami. Miss Barbara's going to go to her sister and brother-in-law's 50th wedding anniversary.
That's in Colorado Springs.
So she'll be flying up there. And then about 3 weeks after you get back,
yep,
we'll fly down to Miami and catch a cruise ship if I'm able. If I'm not, I guess she gets a whole stateroom to herself, or she needs to find another friend. Phone a friend.
Phone a friend. I have a friend lined up. Told her last night. Well, we talked about it, and ahead of time, you know, I kind of asked her if she had a passport and if she could go on 2 weeks' notice. And she's in. So, but we're hoping it's going to be you and me. We're hoping for that.
Okay.
We both need a little vacation.
Yeah. You know, my biggest issue has just been pain. Incredible pain. And for some reason, my family practitioner, who originally prescribed the pain medication in the state of Alabama, is the only one who can prescribe it because he started it.
You have to stay at the same doctor or it flags you.
And I ran out about 4 days ago. And I've been in sheer agony for 4 days, calling his office every single day, 2 times a day. Finally, today, he filled it. And that should get me by for a little while. But I immediately took one, and it's oxycodone is what it is, and I took one and could feel the results pretty quick. Everything eased up a little bit. But Miss Barbara did us a Walmart run tonight, this afternoon, and we're set for a couple of days. Family reunion Saturday, maybe a boat ride on Sunday, and back to the swing of things on Monday. And I've said it before, I'll say it again, I can't possibly imagine ever going through this without someone as strong, supportive.
I don't know about strong.
She's
But
been
I'll be
very,
there.
she's been very strong. She has.
Well,
But
somebody asked you because I had to peel you off the ceiling the first day.
yeah,
And then we had a couple of rough days.
yeah.
And yesterday was a rough day for you.
Yesterday was pain.
And
It was bad.
so you do what you got to do. And I
But-
do what I got to do.
Yesterday, Clay stopped by,
Tuesday. Yeah.
gave me a haircut because it was falling out. Well, it has begun. So my son Clay is gonna give me a haircut. Now he's given a lot of Navy haircuts on board ships.
I mean, I'm trained just as much as any barber on a ship is.
That's right, absolutely.
I've gotten haircuts before.
And I've given haircuts before.
You say that like I know how to do that.
Can't mess it up.
That's a good point. Now you got them Carter eyebrows. Those are the only damn things still growing.
That's right.
I never knew what to say when the barber would say, "Can I clean up your eyebrows?" The only thing I could say is, "Yes, please."
Yes, yes, and my ears. Clip them ears.
It's damned embarrassing, but there it is.
You're just as gentle as that first barber in boot camp.
Aww.
Yeah. He was so nice. Swear to God, 3 minutes, that's how long he was in his chair. They didn't waste no time.
Well, that's it.
All right. Thank you,
You're a
Clay.
good man.
I appreciate it. I really do appreciate it.
Because they're too young to try mush.
You know I have the puppies today.
That'd be okay.
Yeah, you don't start puppies on mush till 4 weeks at least. I thought they was only a week old last week.
Huh?
I thought they was only
that's really
I'm close to them. They don't talk.
Oh, we
Oh, yeah.
Where's my shot?
Love you.
I love you.
Okay, let's take away my shot. Hey, but just
Right.
take it easy on me.
So I'm kind of hoping, praying my beard don't fall out. I really hope so. I hope it doesn't. Because I'm an ugly man without a beard and a bald head. I just put a sack on my head and walk around, cut holes in it. But that's our update. Miss Barbara, anything you want to add?
No, we're in this together, and everybody is really, really positive. We really appreciate all the prayers. I did notify a few close family friends and family about 2 weeks ago what was going on, and they started reaching back. Had to put out another now general to everybody. But we had to be comfortable with that, and we were fortunate enough to, our sister-in-law retired school teacher this year, and they had a little get together, and there was a lot of family and good friends there, and that gave us a lot of love and support.
Oh, that was awesome.
And
so much hugging and loving. I mean, all the medicine in the world can't replace that. Hugging and loving and just.
And we've just had an outpouring of love since I put it on Facebook.
And I
of
know
course
we'll
from our
feel the
friends.
same way Saturday at the family reunion. So, I love you, Miss Barbara.
I love you.
So we got you caught up finally. Maybe we won't wait so long before we do it again, okay?